There's still gas in that thing? What the heck? I thought I drained it all out. Anyway, this is my new project. A 10 horsepower, 16 speed Yardman with bolt-on wheels. My first ever actual lawn tractor. Got a 10 horsepower Briggs. Well, not the gas from it. Gas from another motor. 8 horsepower Briggs. But the rear belt, when I drove it home from my neighbor, that's what it did. The rest of the belt's fine. Sorta, kinda, not really. Yeah. That might have been why it wasn't driving so great. Anyway, so this is my new project. I have the deck for it. Not probably going to put the deck back on it. I like it. I kind of like... Huh, that's steel. Actually, I think it's aluminum. But this is going to be my new project. And if you go on Google and search Yardman 10 horsepower lawn tractor, there's a picture of this lawn tractor on there. Kind of weird, a little bit creepy. But yeah, it's kind of like a shot like that maybe. But this is my new project. Be looking for some videos on YouTube of it because I'll be doing some videos about it. It's gonna be restored in a way. I'm going to clear coat it. So we're gonna clear coat it. It looks really rusty on video. It's really like a dull orange. It's been painted. Does not start with the key. So we'll have to get into that. It's got a Murray key in it. A little rusted. Does run, does drive, just not very good because of that belt. It has a Vari-Drive in it, some sort of a Vari-Drive. Oh well, though it's a good it's a beefy transmission. It's a 4-speed though. 1, 2, 3, 4 in reverse. Kind of weird. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.